My name is Emmanuel.
Evi bigambiro bwo kitongore cha artist Uganda kibirenkiza guzo myaka 20 omuhereza kandi omukorogu Gorirom district eyaguru. Omukorogu habireho no kubyara miti kandi kwetabiromwa ama district menji okurwa mu cyanga cha Ankole.
Kugira ngo abahinzi barabasa kutunga business kurukirira mu miti eyi barabahinjire emiti kaboni eyeranywa ruga mu mwanya ejo kaboni tubase kujibashashurira ngano batunge mu entasya etari ya butosha.
A difference about how much rain they would have in that area. So we can't change how things are right now, but we can change things on how they will be in 3 years, or in 5 years, or in 20 years. We thank you, the people who came to Morogoro 20 years ago, and we were reminded that April 3rd the seminar left, and August 3rd the seminar was over.
Abechitongore cyo bagirangwa katare ko rwoya karoho kandi no bagurura mu dollars aho tani yo rwoya erukugura omutwaro gumwe n'ekicweka eza dollar kandi omusente za Uganda ni miliyoni 5.5 n'emitwaro 50.
Ni business eti mwene etari emanyirwe munonga ratwara obukugu bwinji konka ahabwo kuyambwaho abakugu abararuga mu Clean Air Action Corporation kikabasa kutwanguhira kugira ngo barabasa gukora emiti y'uturahinga etureterentasya aza eri carbon business.
KIST is about growing trees and it's about growing leaders. And this place is full of leaders, whether they're government, whether they're team leaders, farmer leaders. Every person here is a leader, and it is exciting to see and be with you and look forward to what is next with KIST.
Hina abahinzi b'emiti okuruga Ankole abituganireho nabo ahanshongeji.
Tezo omwoyo kuba kweta carbon offsets. Omwoyo kubaguguza amahanga agetegereze nibahereze sente zo kutukwera mu kubyara imitererwa nyuma ikakwera obuhangwa kutunga omwoyo mulungi kandi emitejo nene omwoyo uzomwita.
Twamaze kujoininga system mwaka wa 2012 twaguma bari kutezo sente za prepayment zo kurebera imiti kugira ngo basekura Gonkobwire ko bwashyira mu mwaka 2018 kuisha mu gihe myaka hati kandi twayikarungo rwo kuguza orwika rwa carbon. Abatist Uganda babasa kutwereza mu sente mu carbon ejompaho kandi esente ziri reasonable. Akuba ndasa kuchipimira harurengo gw'emite yindi kuba nyine washanga ngo emite nyine no kuza kujiguza ngo bagishare mu mbaho aza nkashanga ngo bari kumpe sente buri mwaka izirasa kwa ziragura icyo miti yona bari kuza kugishara.
Ekitongore eki nubajangwe nkoreji yahitabo mu abahinji binji omyaka 5 misho abahinji b'emiti nibija kuba bagoborire cyango omuga gwabogu gasha kwa Juliet Charles.